In a bright, colorful cartoon town there lived a small, friendly lump named Lumo, who loved to shine every evening and watch children play and families smile. But deep inside he felt sad, because he thought he was too small to be important. One night the sky turned dark, clouds came fast, and a big storm covered the town. All the big lights stopped working and everyone felt scared. Children held their parents' animals, hid, and the streets became silent. But Lumo did not stop shining. He used all his strength to glow warmly. His soft light showed the way to homes, helped a lost kitten find its mother, and made children feel calm. Slowly people followed his light, and hope returned to their hearts. When the storm passed, the town became bright again. Everyone thanked Lumo and decorated him with colors and smiles. Lumo understood that size does not matter. Kindness, courage, and never giving up can light even the darkest night. And the town learned that hope always begins with one small light.